The question is, do you want new income streams, new sources of revenue, more money? What is digital real estate? Digital real estate is when you own a section, a part of a virtual reality platform. For example, Sandbox. Sandbox is releasing 166,000 land parts. Decentraland will release about half of that, about 80,000 land plots. In Decentraland, you will completely own your land. You can travel across it, traverse it. You can build on it, build a building, a storefront, shop, and monetize it. You can make money from your land, leasing, selling, marketing, whatever you choose to do. I can supply you the information you need to get started early. Feel alive with mountains of Metaverse money. This is no exaggeration. This money is coming. The lucky few first in will get whatever they want, whatever they desire. What's the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a new set of platforms with three-dimensional software applications bring total immersion and improved engagement to your customers. The Metaverse is here. The race is on to secure your investment in digital real estate. There are branding and marketing opportunities, new revenue streams, virtual concerts, games, cryptocurrency, quick payments, the lot. Hire remote workers with improved collaboration. There'll be competitions, relationships, expansion. Moving your business to the Metaverse, you'll need the best ideas and plans. We've got the checklists that you need. Look below for the first link in the description. You'll get selecting the appropriate Metaverse, building your brand in the Metaverse, creating virtual augmented reality and videos for your business, investing in the Metaverse, promoting your business in the Metaverse, creating content in the Metaverse, and a lot more. Click below to my business school blog and you'll get all the ideas and opportunities you'll need. I'm here to help you move business to the Metaverse for new income streams.